Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25-inch screen in a 2015 Mercedes C300 4MATIC. Car didn't come with nav and without the backup camera. We installed OEM fit power camera. So that's the camera that we installed. By going to reverse, the camera pops out. By going to drive, camera goes back in. So that's how the camera works. And I'm gonna show you how the unit works. As you can see, we installed our 10.25-inch screen and it's fully compatible with the command control the knob with the aftermarket screen. Also, you can go back to factory and you still can use the knobs same as before. And by touching the screen, we go to the aftermarket mode. It comes with offline maps, online maps, and also all the apps are here, like Google Maps and YouTube and other apps. You can use the touch screen. It reads some information from the OBD of the car, and also we installed offline maps into this unit too, and by going to FM CD it goes back to the factory mode. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. and I show you right now the reverse. And with dynamic parking guidelines. Thank you and have a great day.